Okay.
How's it, Andrew? Okay, so let me just show you here. So yeah, I've obviously got a ribbon, so let me break it. Okay, so there we go. So the way that you need to fix it, right? So you take up the slack on this side, on the take-up side, and then you just sort of fold it over. The important thing to remember is that they need to be straight here in a line. Okay, so here I've just got some tape, just some clear tape that you need to stick the left and the right side. And again, it needs to be as straight in line as possible. So on the supply side and the take-up side, they need to line up. Okay. Okay, then I've stuck this side. So remember both sides. Okay, and then once you've stuck it, you need to then advance it by one print. So 3 colors and then a laminate layer. Okay, there we go. Laminate layer. So that's where you need to stop. So you need to roll the repaired side onto the take-up side.